Tired of making the same old meatloaf? So were we. So we put a little spin on a classic dish for the colder months.
You guys thought you were rid of us.
Yeah.
You're not rid of us.
No, this is the first segment in our newest kitchen, the third kitchen we've had this year.
But I gotta be honest with you, I think it's the best one.
Yeah.
Because it's not that big, but it's big enough. Everything is easy to get to. We're very happy.
So let's tell them what we're making.
We are making meatloaf with feta cheese, zucchini, and marinara sauce.
It was actually the first meal we made in this new place, and we said if it comes out good, we'll make a full video, so here we go.
Right. And we're using turkey meat.
Yes, but you could use regular.
You can use chopped regular.
No, we are using turkey. Well, not turkey breast either, just regular turkey.
Yeah, 92% fat, whatever it is.
Regular.
Whatever.
Okay.
Use what you want.
So let's get on with it. We're gonna go over the ingredients first.
Okay. We have turkey.
Okay.
We have 2 eggs, panko breadcrumbs, 1 decent sized zucchini. We have pre-prepared tomato sauce. You can buy this in the supermarket. This one is imported from Italy. Oat milk.
Okay, but you can use any kind of milk.
Yeah.
That's just what we have.
Feta cheese. Pepper, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, Worcestershire sauce, and salt.
And kosher salt. We use kosher
And
salt when
kosher
we
salt.
cook, yeah, most of the time. And that's it? That's all the ingredients?
That's all your ingredients. And we're using, just to sound quick about the eggs. You know, I was always, I gotta get, free range, cage free eggs, blah, 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 until I found out that cage free and free range doesn't mean that they're, out and about. So these are pasture raised eggs.
Okay.
Which means that the chickens get to go out into the field and peck around, and the eggs are much better. You'll notice when you buy pasture raised versus cage free or just plain white.
Yeah, I used to get that by our old house. There was a farm stand. And
Yeah, well, those are the best ones.
Yeah.
But you'll notice the yolk is denser. It's more orange in color. It's just a better flavor. But
we'll see it when we crack it.
That's neither here nor
All right, so let's get started.
Let's get cracking.
All right, John. So what do we have to do first?
All right. So I think the first thing we're going to do is shred the zucchini so that it's prepared.
Okay. And show them this zucchini shredder. How cool
Well,
is
it's a cheese grater. It's not zucchini.
Well, whatever. Cheese grater.
How cool is it? This
Both
is
of them have
technology
something
from
to say.
1920s.
Okay, but it has this bottom.
Oh, it's got a little.
It has a little lid. Wait, I want to show everybody. And it has this thing. So let's say you want to shred cheese or whatever, and you just want to put it in your fridge. You have like a lid that goes on it. I love it. Sammy's been very barky. She's going deaf, so I think she's 13 now.
The first thing I gotta do is make a little room with my. I'll just cut these edges off. That's number 1. All right. Now, let's hope for the best here.
Hope for the best? That doesn't sound promising. All right, so this is just basically shredding the zucchini. I mean, it's nothing earth-shattering. I wish people find it kind of hard to do, but it's really not. If you have a good grater like we do, I think it's pretty easy.
2 cups of shredded zucchini.
All right, 2 cups, that's what it looks like.
I'm gonna take a piece of cheesecloth and I'm gonna just squeeze out as much of the liquid from the zucchini.
Well, you just take a cheesecloth, we have a whole pack of them, you get them wherever. I don't even remember where we got them, but they come in handy.
I'm just gonna go over to the sink. There's more liquid than you would think.
Yeah, there is. There's a lot.
And look at
That's why sometimes zucchini is... Sammy, please. Sometimes zucchini is hard to... Okay. All
Alright, so we're gonna just leave this off to the side for a minute.
Okay. And now what's next?
I gotta dry my hands. First thing we're gonna do is put the panko breadcrumbs and the oat milk into our mixing bowl. And we're gonna make like a little bit of a paste out of it. So this is, I think it's a 1/4 cup. Jayne will give you the ingredients.
Yeah, everything will be
Might have been a cup. I think it was a 1/4 cup, half a cup.
Okay.
This is a 1/4 cup of the oat milk.
Okay. And again, you can use any milk. So what are you doing now?
I'm just getting it incorporated together. All right, so now next step 2 is we're gonna put all of the rest of the ingredients in our bowl, and then we're gonna mix it up. So we're gonna put turkey in there like so. We're gonna put the feta cheese. We're gonna put our zucchini.
And what's the oven preheating at?
350, I think I said it before.
Okay.
zucchini. We're gonna do 2 eggs. And when you're cracking eggs,
Yeah.
remember to try to crack them on a flat surface, not on the edge, because then the shell gets in. It could come in contact with the yolk, and it's could make you can get.
Yeah, a lot of people do it on the edge of a bowl, but I.
Right, you shouldn't do that.
Okay. And now you're going to do what?
We are going to put a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Tablespoon of that. We need 2 teaspoons of onion powder.
It's so hard to get open to do that. We should.
That's it.
So 1,
2 teaspoons of onion powder.
2. You said 3.
No, 2.
Oh.
Right into my oatmeal.
Sammy!
Fantastic.
Okay.
We got
I wonder if I'm seeing me on camera.
2 teaspoons of garlic powder.
Okay, garlic powder seems to go into a lot of things.
1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Not pop off. These things are hard to do.
I know.
Let's do it this way. That's what it looked like.
Yeah, I just do it. And a little bit in
1 teaspoon of that. Teaspoon of salt.
You double dip into the oven.
What's the difference? It's not like it's raw chicken.
Yeah.
And a teaspoon of black pepper.
Okay.
And then we have to put in half of the tomato sauce.
So how much is it?
It's a cup total.
So you're putting half now.
Oh, wait a second. Hold on a second. Is it 1 cup? What does our recipe say? Is it 1 cup of tomato
It's
sauce?
1 cup, but it says divide.
Divide. All right,
you
so
put
we're gonna
half in and then half.
We're gonna do
the
half a
rest.
cup.
Okay. All right, so we want to make sure, so that's half that goes in and then half you need for after for the top.
Right. So we're gonna put a half a cup of that. Okay.
And then you're gonna mix
And
everything.
now I'm gonna put on my gloves.
Oh, John's got like the fancy chef gloves.
A professional operation. You guys don't want all my germs from underneath my fingernails. I don't want all of that on my hands either. So we're going like this. And we're gonna mix.
We're taking it up a notch, getting fancy gloves. All right, so he's just gonna mix that, so I'm not gonna bore you with that. So while he's mixing that, this is optional. You know, you're gonna put it in the pan, whatever. You're gonna put the other half cup of marinara sauce on it. But when we made it, I said, let me just put some grated parm on top. Again, that's optional. I say more cheese, the better, and that's up to you. Okay, so we have the pan out, and we had the foil in it. We sprayed it, but
I didn't spray it.
Oh, you didn't spray it?
No.
Okay, I have to spray it, but a tip, we always put it on a baking sheet underneath. This way, if anything drips out, you don't get it all over your stove. Since our stove is like brand new, we still have the old May towel. We figured, you know what? Let's not be bothered with getting it dirty because we don't want to go through that again. And that's just a little tip.
So this is what it looks like all mixed. Very nice. All right, and we're gonna put it in. Are you gonna film it from that angle? So I can do it like this?
I got it. I'm over your shoulder. I got you.
So we're gonna put
I'm
it
a
in our meatloaf pan, and we're gonna kind of
Massage it in.
massage it in, nice and nice. Okay, so that goes on top. Let me get rid of these, and then we're gonna put a little
That's what's
bit.
great about having those cups.
We're gonna put a little bit more.
Well, it says to put a half cup.
Yeah, I can just
Yeah, we'll just eye it.
like it out.
Just like you're doing a regular meatball. You do your barbecue, ketchup, whatever it is. And I'd like to do the honor of the cheese.
And we're gonna put a little grated. This is not that vegan one, right?
No, it's the regular one. It actually taste the same. This brand makes a vegan one. Not vegan, vegetarian. You can't do cheese.
Oh, I only put a little bit of the cheese on because it goes in the oven for an hour or 15 minutes now. And
yeah, and you don't want it to burn.
It's going to melt away. So normally we'll put it on towards the end, the last 10 minutes or so, just to melt it on the top.
Or you can even put on a little when you first take it out because it has to cool off anyway because it still kind of bakes in the pan, so to speak.
Right.
So how long are we going to put this in?
1 hour and 15 minutes at 350.
Okay, so we'll see you when it comes out.
All right, push your slug. You get the oven for me, darling. How is it, Jayne? Yeah, it's good. Delicioso.
I got a little extra sauce.
And we got leftover rosemary potatoes and string beans from the other night. There's my plate. That's what we're talking about. It really is delicious. We hope you make it.
First time in the kitchen. This kitchen, third kitchen of the year.
Nice zucchini.
Gonna put you in the river.
Little zucchini.
Well, we got a recipe. Can't even say the first one.
We got over here, we got a turkey. What are we doing? Oh.
Wait. You gotta wait before you put in the ingredient. You gotta let me get ready. That doesn't look good.